morning, dear student. Prayer. Today's topic is surface area of a sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure. This is an example of a sphere. This is a sphere. Okay. Which is made up of all points in the space which lie at a constant distance called the radius from a fixed point called center of the sphere. So a sphere is made up of all points from a fixed distance, from a fixed center of fixed distance. That fixed distance is the radius and fixed center is the center of the sphere. So this is a hemisphere. Half of this sphere is a hemisphere. Now look here inside this fixed point, and all points are a same distance from this fixed point. So we got a sphere. Sphere is like the surface of balls. Surface means this portion. Sphere is like, isn't it? Sphere is like a surface of a ball. Okay. We already learned in 8th class about the surface area of a sphere, curved surface area, isn't it? So let's revise that. Surface area. Surface area means area of this space. Okay, this surface. So surface area of this sphere is 4 pi r square. R radius pi 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay, so surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Now next, this is a hemisphere. What is meaning? Sorry, what is this? Hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of a sphere. Half of a sphere is a hemisphere. Now this hemisphere has two surfaces. Which are they? This curved surface and this circled surface. So this is surface and this surface. Now curved surface area of a hemisphere, that is this area, is 2 pi r square, half of surface area of a sphere. Isn't it? You get the idea? Total surface area of this sphere, that is, see, this whole space is curved space and its area is 4 pi r square. Then half of this is a hemisphere. Its curved surface area is half of surface area of a sphere. That is half of 4 pi r square. That means 2 pi r square. Understood? Now next, another, here only curved surface area 2 pi r square. Its total surface area means this curved surface area plus area of this circle. This is a circle face. So area of this face. Then we get this total surface area of this hemisphere. Now what is the area of a circle? Circle pi r square. So this area plus this area, we get a total surface area of this hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi r square plus this pi r square, we get 3 pi r square. That is 3 pi r square is the total surface area of a hemisphere. So I repeat, this is a sphere. It have a fixed radius and a fixed center. And surface area of this sphere is 4 pi r square, and this is a hemisphere, that is half of this sphere, and it has two surfaces. First is curved surface and this base, circle shape base. Now its curved surface area is half of surface area of a sphere, that is half of 4 pi r square, that means 2 pi r square, and total surface area of this hemisphere is this area plus this area. This area is 2 pi r square and this is pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, we get 3 pi r square. Take your textbook, page 225, exercise 13.4. Assume pi equal 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. Okay. We have two values 4 pi 22 by 7 or 3.14. 22 by 7. After division we get to 3.14. So here given assume pi equal 22 by 7. Otherwise given. Okay. First question. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So our first question is find the surface area of a sphere and given 3 questions. Radius also given. Okay, so surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So substitute the values and take pi equal to 22 by 7. So here surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. That is 4 into 22 by 7 into r 10.5. So 10.5 all square. Now multiply 4 into 22 into 10.5 into 10.5. 10.5 whole square means 10.5 into 10.5. So multiply 4 into 22 into 10.5 into 10.5. We get 9702 by 7. Okay. Now divide. We get 1386 centimeter square. So surface area of a first sphere with radius 10.5 centimeter is 1386 centimeter square. So pause this video and do multiplication in calculation column. Okay. Now second r equal to 5.6. So we put value of r in this equation. So here surface area equal to 4 into pi is 22 by 7, r is 5.6 all square. Now multiply 4 into 22 into 5.6 into 5.6. Then we get 2759.68 by 7. This 7. Okay. Now divide. After division we get 394.24 centimeter square. Okay. Same like this also. Substitute r equal 14. So surface area equal to 4 into pi 22 by 7 into r 14 square. This is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 because 14 is a multiple of 7. So we can do in this way. We can divide 14 by 7. We get 2. Then multiply 4 into 22 into 2 into 40 equal to. So multiplying we get 2464 centimeter square. You can multiply in both ways, no problem. 4 into 22 into 14 into 40. Then divide by 7. It's okay. Otherwise you can do like this. Both are correct. Now question 2. Find the surface area of a sphere of diameter. First 14 centimeter, second 21 centimeter, third 3.5 meter. Here given diameter. First we find its radius. Diameter and radius are related. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. Half of diameter is the radius. So first question 14 centimeter. Its half is 7. 14 by 2 7. So its radius is 7 centimeter. And second question 21 centimeter is the diameter. The radius is 21 by 2. So we get 10.5 as the radius. Okay. And third question 3.5 meter. That is the diameter. Then this 3.5 meter by 2. We get to 1.75 meter is the radius of third question. So all you got these all 3 radius. Isn't it? First 7 centimeter, second 10.5 centimeter and third 1.75 meter. Now substitute the radius in this equation, we get the answer. So this is same like a previous question. So this is for homework. Now question 3. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Use pi equal 3.14. So third question is total surface area of a hemisphere. So what is the total surface area? Area of this face plus this. Okay, that is 3 pi r square. So total surface area of a hemisphere is equal to okay, equal to 3 pi r square. Now substitute, given r 10. So 3 into, we take pi here 3.14. This is given in the question. So here 3.14 into r is 10. So 10 square. This is equal to 3 into 3.14 into 10 square, 100. 10 into 10, 100. After multiplication, we get 942 centimeter square. Now question 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. That is, the radius is increased of a balloon, spherical balloon. Its radius increases when air pumped into it. Okay. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloons in the two cases. So in case 1, radius is 7 centimeter and case 2, radius is 14 centimeter. First we are going to find its surface area. Okay. What is the formula for finding surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. Now substitute the values. 4 into pi 22 by 7 into 7 square. So we can cut 1 7 here. Okay. 7 by 7 we get 1. Then here balance is 1 7 only. Then 4 into 22 into 7 we get 616 centimeter square. This same case we done in question number 1. Third question. Question number 1, sub question third, the same radius. Okay. So here we substitute 4 into 3.14 into, sorry, not 3.14, 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 14 square. So this is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Then 7 2s are 14. Now multiply 4 into 22 into 2 into 14. We get 2464 centimeter square. Now surface areas ratio of case 1 is to case 2, that is 616 is to 2464. So ratio is a fraction. We can write it as a fraction. So first one is the numerator and second number is the denominator. You know, I think all of you know. Okay. So 616 is to 2464 is equal to 616 by 2464. Now simplify this, we get 616 into 4, we get 2464. So this is 1 by 4. So this ratio is 1 is to 4. I think all of you know simplify fractions. We use HCF of this numerator and denominator for simplifying. Now question 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So this is example of a hemispherical bowl. Okay. Now look here, this is the surface area, outer surface area of this bowl, and this is the inner surface area of this bowl. We need to find the cost of tin plating it on the inside portion. We need to plate inside of this bowl. Then we need to find the inner surface area and its total cost. Okay, so let's start. Inner radius means inside radius. Inner diameter is 10.5 centimeter. Then inner radius is half of diameter, that is 10.5 by 2. After division we get 5.25 centimeter. Okay, so suppose this is the bowl, then its radius is 5.25 centimeter. Now we need to find its inner surface area. This inner surface also like a curved surface, isn't it? Curved surface area of a hemisphere. Same like. So we find its curved surface area. That is the inner surface area. It is 2 pi r square. Okay. You got the connection. So 2 pi r square. Now pi 22/7 r 5.25. Substitute the values. 2 into 22/7 into 5.25 all square. Now multiply 2 into 22 into 5.25 into 5.25. Then divide that number with the 7. Okay. Then you got 173.25 centimeter square. So the inner area of a bowl is 173.25 centimeter square. Now we need to find the cost of plating. Okay. So given cost per 100 centimeter square is 60. We always need per 1 centimeter square or per 1 meter square, like that. We need unit cost. Okay. So we convert this into per 1 centimeter square 16/100. Given per 100 centimeter square 16. Then for 1 centimeter square 16/100 rupees. Okay. Now total cost is 16/100 into this surface area. We get rupees 27.72. Now question says find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Given surface area of a sphere, that is 154 centimeter square. We need to find its radius. So what is the formula for finding surface area? 4 pi r square. So this is a sphere given in question. This is a sphere. So 4 pi r square is the surface area. So 4 pi r square equal to 154. Now substitute the values of pi. We are going to find the value of radius r. Okay. So 4 into 22/7 into r square equal to 154. So we need to find the r square. So r square in left hand side and transpose this all to the right hand side. So here already 154. Then here this 4 into here multiplication. So in right hand side it becomes division. And this 22/7 it's reciprocal 7/22. So we get r square equal to 154 into 7/4 into 22. Here 7 is division denominator. So here comes numerator. Here this is numerator. So here comes denominator. Okay. Now 154/22. We get 7. You can do in your working column. Okay. 22 into 7 we get to 154. Now 7 into 7, 49. So r square is equal to 49/4. Now we need to find r. So r means root of this 49/4. Now root of 49/4. Root 49 is 7 and root 4 is 2. 7 sevens are 49, 2 2s are 4. Now 7/2 we get 3.5 centimeters. So 3.5 centimeter is the radius of this sphere. Now question 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. So here given diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. That is the diameter of earth is equal to 2r. Okay. Diameter is 2r. Now given the diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. That is 1/4 of diameter of earth 2r. Now we can cut this 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. So here 4. That is this is 1 into r and r/2. So diameter of earth is 2r and diameter of moon we take as r/2. Now we need to find the ratio of its surface areas. So surface area formula is 4 pi r square. So we need radius. So radius of this earth is 2r by 2. Half of 2r, that is r. That is radius of earth is r. Radius of the moon. Radius of the moon is half of diameter of the moon. Half of is 1 by 2. Half of diameter of the moon r by 2. This is equal to 1 into r, and 2 into 2, 4. So we get radius of earth r and radius of moon r by 4. We take diameter of earth as 2r. Then diameter of moon is 1 by 4th of earth's diameter. That is 1 by 4th of earth diameter is 2r. So 1 by 4 into 2r, we can cancel 2 and 4, we get here 2. And the diameter of moon is r by 2. Now we are going to find the ratio of surface areas of earth and moon. So we need its radius. Radius is half of the diameter. So earth radius is half of 2r, that is r, and moon's radius is half of r by 2 and it is r by 4. Now surface area of radius of earth r itself and radius of moon r by 4. Earth surface area. Surface area is 4 pi r square and substitute radius only. Then we are doing in general form. So 4 pi r square, we need not substitute the value of pi. Okay. So r square is Earth's radius is r itself. So Earth's surface area is 4 pi r square itself. Okay. Now moon's surface area. 4 pi r square is the equation. We substitute r by 4. So 4 pi into r by 4 all square. Now 4 pi into r square by, we split 4 square into 4 into 4. Now we can cut this 4 and 4 and balance is pi into r square and here 4. So pi r square by 4. That is Earth's surface area 4 pi r square and moon's surface area pi r square by 4. Now we need to find its ratios. Okay. So surface area of moon is to surface area of earth. That is pi r square by 4 is to 4 pi r square. Now we can cancel pi and pi here same, r square and r square. Now we get 1 by 4 is to 4. This is equal to 1 by 4 by 4 equal to 1 by 16. This 1 by 4 is the numerator and this is the denominator, and after calculation we get this is 1 by 16. You know how to solve this type of fractions. Okay, so 1 by 16, then ratio is 1 is to 16. Now question 8. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 cm thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So inner radius of the bowl is given. Inner radius means this inside portion's radius, that is 5 cm. And thickness of the steel, in this side there is a thickness. Okay, so thickness is given 0.25. Then this inner radius plus this thickness we get outer radius. Understood? Here the small thickness for every bowl. Okay, so inner radius plus this thickness we get outer radius. So thickness of the steel equals 0.25 and outer radius is 5 plus 0.25 equal to 5.25 centimeter. Okay. Now we get outer radius. So find curved surface area, outer surface area, that is the outer curved surface area equal 2 pi r square and 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 5.25 all square. Now multiply 2 into 22 into 5.25 into 5.25, we get 1212.75 by 7. After division we get 173.25 centimeter square. Now question 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a hemisphere of radius r. See figure 13.22. Okay, this figure just enclosed inside that cylinder. Okay. First one, surface area of the sphere. Find the surface area of the sphere. Second, curved surface area of the cylinder. And third, ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. That is the ratio of the surface area of sphere and curved surface area of the cylinder. So, first question, surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere we now already learned, that is 4 pi r square. Okay. So this is in general. Surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. First question over. Now second, curved surface area of the cylinder. So what is the formula for finding curved surface area of a cylinder? We learned curved surface area of a cylinder in the first topic of this chapter. Do you remember? Curved surface area of a cylinder is, so curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh. Now we connect this sphere and cylinder. So this sphere is tightly inside the cylinder. So this diameter is the same as the height of this cylinder, tightly fixed. That's why this diameter, this is the diameter of the sphere and this is same as the height of this cylinder, and this radius is the same as cylinder's radius, base radius. So r is the radius and r plus r, diameter is 2r. So 2r is the height of this cylinder, that is radius r, and the height of the cylinder is 2r. Now substitute these values in this equation. We get 2 pi into r means radius. R is radius r itself into h means 2r. So 2r. Now multiply 2 into 2, 4. Then this pi, r into r, r square. So we get area of curved surface area of a cylinder is 4 pi r square. And the third question is ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. Ratios of area. Here area is 4 pi r square and here area is 4 pi r square. Then area of sphere 4 pi r square into area means surface area. Okay. Is to, not into, is to curved surface area of a cylinder also 4 pi r square. So this is equal to 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. Now we can cancel this r square and r square, pi and 4 and 4. Here we get to 1, here also 1. That is, this become 1 by 1. That is 1 is to 1. That is the ratio of this surface area of a sphere and curved surface area of a cylinder is 1 is to 1. So this exercise completed. Write all notes in your notebook. Study well. Thank you.